Hello YouTube, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to do SPY, QQQ, ES, NQ, VIX, and dollar levels. So without further ado, let's get right into it. And as always, just remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own technical analysis. This is for educational purposes only. With that out of the way, let's hop right into it. So tomorrow, we do have some news at 8:30 EST. We have unemployment claims. So that will move the market pre-market. Other than that, no major news. So I'm not really expecting much there. In terms of earnings, I don't believe there's any earnings for tomorrow. No, we do have Google earnings tomorrow, and I believe Apple. It's normally, or is it Meta? Could have swore it's normally Google and one other stock, maybe Amazon. No. Do have Google earnings tomorrow. I'm sure I'm forgetting another earnings stock, so that might move the market after hours. But let's get into SPY. So SPY, again, as we said earlier, found support here, bounced up, hit this high here. So I am expecting more upside now. We do have a resistance from here to here. We are at this resistance level here at 545. So if we don't see fast selling pressure back down here, we will probably hit this target at 548.62. Other than that, we do have this big range still. We have 549 as one last resistance. And then if that fails, about 559. So just be wary of that. What I'm looking for SPY currently at the moment is I am expecting, like I said, this upper target to be hit at 545.44. And then tomorrow I am expecting this target at 548.62 to be hit. So I am looking out for both of those. Again, we do have a support for SPY right down here at about 525. So if it does start to pull back, we can aim for this low. And that's really about it. So we'll just have to wait and see. Again, we're just kind of in a range, so just trying to trade whatever you see fit. Don't expect big movements. Same thing for QQQ. QQQ is looking a little bit better for upside plays. Again, we are kind of still in this range right here, hanging out right at the last resistance level at about 462. What I'm targeting for for QQQ is this 463.38 level. If that breaks and then we come up here, I'm targeting 465.05, and if that breaks, I'm targeting 467.83. Again, QQQ is a lot better in my opinion. If we do get upside, I'm expecting all three of these targets to be hit by tomorrow. So that is just where I'm at. Again, QQQ is still in the same range, expecting a little bit of resistance here at the 463 level. As you can see here, it came up and then shot down. If that fails, we do have another resistance at about 473. Again, support for QQQ, same thing as SPY, come down to about 443, 444. So just be wary of that. Now let me go to ES and NQ. Start with NQ since I have that target. I do have the line drawn. I am targeting about 18,730 for the low in case it does want to go down here. For the highs, I'm targeting 19,166. And then the second high would be 19,231. The next high is on the 9th. Targeting the 9th. About, we're targeting that, say about maybe 19,300 would be the third high that I'd be targeting for NQ. ES. I am targeting down here, low of the day, 5,384. High of the day, 5,500 even. If that breaks, I'm targeting about 5,514 would be the last target for the upside until we get higher up here. So those are levels for that. Let's go over to VIX now. See, VIX failed our support here. Failed our support here. As you can see here, did not show any sort of support, so we are breaking down. Again, do have this last support down here on VIX, right around this 29 level. If we don't see fast buying pressure, we have one more about 24. That fails, 26, and then about 21. So again, I do think VIX is going to come down. It seems like all this news and stuff is starting to die down. Dollar, again, finding some buying pressure here. So what am I expecting for dollar? I am expecting a little bit more of a push from dollar. We do have this bigger range. We are we are in this range for the dollar here. So we are near a resistance level at 99.7. If that fails, we have one at about 100 even. If those break, then we can come up here, and then I'd expect it to retrace up to about 101. So I am expecting it to come back up to a 101 and then maybe show some more selling pressure if news is bad. But again, I expect more upside for dollar, so just be wary of that. And that is it. So if you guys have any other stocks or futures you want me to go over, leave them down in the comments down below. And you should check out my video where I passed my trading combine. I will link that up in the top right. Um, yeah, I'm super excited. So I'll probably be live trading the Asian market if I see something. So, all right, that's all. Hope to catch you guys in the next video and hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye, everyone.